As we browse the internet, we often see websites using icons. For example, the ChatGPT conversation webpage, which has icons wherever needed. Most of the time, these icons are SVGs, scalable vector graphics. We can actually extract the vector data of these icons by inspecting the element. Just right click on the icon, select inspect, and with a little searching in the DOM, you can find the vector data for the icon. So it's clear that we can get the vector data for icons from any web page. But the real question is, can we use this vector data in our WPF apps to display the same icons? The answer is yes. In this video, I will show you which .NET WPF elements you need to use for this task. In the XAML editor, create a viewbox element. And inside it, add a path element. Copy the vector data from the web pages inspector tool and paste it into the paths data property. Now set the stroke property to a color value. You can also adjust the stroke thickness to enhance its visibility. And that's it. No more searching for official icons with transparent backgrounds. You can now extract and use them directly in your WPF apps.